second round of the Comeup Extreme Winch Challenge kicked off on a cold and clear Friday night on the Springgate property just south of the small township of Limbri in the Tamworth area of New South Wales. There were 11 purpose-built four-wheel drives, all fitted with winches capable of pulling these mighty machines out of the toughest gullies. But it doesn't all go according to plan, with Manny Cafanteris in the GQ Patrol breaking the winch rope. Not a good start to the night. Luckily, his navigator knows how to tie a good knot. Picking your line into the gully is important. Getting stuck on a rock is not ideal. Having to winch out of the gully is even worse, as Steve Howarth and Glenn Rogers found out. Another team to break a winch rope was John and Mick from the Blue Mountains Four-Wheel Drive Club. Unfortunately, Mick failed scouts and needed a lesson on knot tying from his driver.
Here we go again, right? Left over right, tuck it under, pull a bit, right over left.
Mick eventually tied the biggest knot he could and they winched to the top. Rod and Russell Rathbone in the Toyota FJ40 picked a pretty ordinary line on the second of the winch climbs and struggled for traction. A broken front axle and no rear drive would see them fail to finish the stage. They'll have an extremely busy night trying to fix it.
Unless I can magically turn a tail shaft up from somewhere, we won't be racing in the morning. So I can't get the axle shaft out of this because I broke the axle shaft in here as well.
But there were plenty of extreme winch trucks that did make the climbs out of the gullies, and they made them all look too simple. Let's check it out. There's another 5 stages tomorrow, so anything can happen. Stay tuned for more updates.